Sunlight entering your home holds a hidden power, transforming dust into a dazzling spectacle. Most people see dust motes dancing in sunbeams as just a minor annoyance. However, these tiny particles reveal a surprising amount about your indoor environment and air quality. Understanding this phenomenon can unlock surprisingly simple home organization secrets. It's not just about aesthetics. It's about creating a healthier living space for everyone. Consider your windows, the primary gateway for both light and potential pollutants into your home. They act like natural filters, catching airborne particles that then become visible in direct sunlight. This visual cue is your first indicator that a deeper clean might be needed. Think of your window as a giant, unintentional air quality monitor, constantly collecting data. The sheer volume of dust visible highlights how much is circulating within your rooms daily.
But that's not the strangest part about these lightborne particles.
Millions of, but skin, that's not the cells, every strangest single part about these lightborne particles. Millions of, but skin, that's not the cells, every strangest single part about these leaving a trail of invisible remnants, significantly to household dust. Imagine your skin constantly renewing itself, leaving a trail of invisible remnants. This natural shedding process is amplified indoors, where air circulation is often limited. Beyond skin cells, dust also comprises textile fibers, pet dander, and even tiny insect fragments. These elements accumulate rapidly on surfaces, especially those catching the light. Your windows, by their very nature, become prime real estate for this collected debris. The sun's rays illuminate these particles, making the problem instantly apparent. Wait until you hear what comes next regarding window cleaning efficiency. Traditional window cleaning methods often just smear the dust around. This creates a cloudy film that further obscures natural light and traps more particles.
The real secret lies in tackling the dust before it even adheres strongly to the glass.
Adheres, think of it like strongly to the glass, trying to clean a sticky surface. It's always harder once dried. A quick swipe with a dry cloth might seem helpful, but often just redistributes the problem. Using a slightly damp microfiber cloth can lift away loose dust without excessive pressure. This gentle approach prevents scratching and avoids creating that stubborn, smeared film. And then something unexpected happened. In my own cleaning routine, I discovered that pre-treating window frames with a dry electrostatic duster makes a huge difference. This captures loose dust from sills and frames, preventing it from settling back onto the glass later. It's like setting up a pre-defense system for your windows before the main cleaning begins. Consider the frames the first line of defense, where dust accumulates readily. Cleaning these areas first prevents a cascade of dirt onto your freshly wiped panes. This simple step significantly reduces the overall dirt load on your windows. Moreover, clean window frames allow for more thorough and satisfying glass cleaning experience. You'll notice less streaking and a much clearer view of the outside world. This methodical approach transforms a chore into an efficient, almost therapeutic activity. The payoff is immediate: brighter rooms and a clearer perspective on your surroundings. Imagine your home bathed in pure, unfiltered sunlight, feeling fresh and revitalized. This organization tip extends beyond just the glass itself. It involves maintaining the entire window unit for optimal light and air quality. A clean window frame prevents allergens from accumulating and becoming airborne. This directly contributes to a healthier indoor atmosphere for your family's well-being. You'll find yourself feeling more energized and less congested in well-lit spaces. The psychological impact of a clean, bright home cannot be overstated. It fosters a sense of calm, order, and overall well-being. This subtle shift makes your living space feel significantly larger and more inviting. It's a small change with a surprisingly profound effect on your daily mood. The visible dust in sunbeams is your cue to a simpler, more effective cleaning strategy. By addressing window frames and using gentle cleaning methods, you enhance natural light. This holistic approach to window care creates a brighter, healthier, and more organized home environment. It's amazing how much impact a clean window can have on your entire living space. If you found these quick organization tips insightful, subscribe for more practical home hacks. Give this video a like if you learned something new, and share your favorite window cleaning trick in the comments below. Subscribe to explore more amazing discoveries, and let me know in the comments what fascinates you most.